In this video, I am going to explain how to insert footnotes and endnotes in a Microsoft Word document. Let's start with footnotes. A footnote is a note that is usually making a reference to some text in the document, and this note is placed at the bottom of the page. So for example, here we have written that the Maltese Islands went through a golden Neolithic period. Let's say that we want to include an extra note to indicate that in Malta we have Neolithic temples. We can put our cursor there where we want to insert the footnote. We go on references, and from here we can click on the button insert footnote. As you can see at the bottom of the page, there is this small line and the reference number, and we can write the text that we want. In my case, I have inserted that the megalithic temples of Malta date back to 3600 till 2500 before Christ. Now, if we go up again, where this reference was made, we can see that there is a number written in superscript to indicate that there is a footnote. If we hover the mouse pointer on that reference, a tooltip will be displayed with the contents of the footnote. If we add another footnote in the same page, for example, let's add a footnote here. And I am going to write that the Knights of St. John arrived in Malta in 1530. You will see that this is referenced with number 2, and here we have number 2. Now, interesting to note that if, for example, we write more text here in such a way that the reference to the footnote is moved on to the next page, then the footnote is removed from where it was originally. It is still marked with number 2, but it will be placed in the right page. If you insert another footnote, but before this one, so I'm going to insert a footnote here. As you can see here, the previous footnote was changed to number 3, and this footnote is changed to 2. And we can write something here. So that is how to do footnotes. Now, you can also do endnotes. An endnote is similar to a footnote. However, all the notes are written at the end of the document. Usually these are used, mostly these are used in legal documents. So for example, let's say that we want to do an endnote here. We go on references, insert endnote. This is an endnote. Example, and as you can see, it is at the end of the document.